Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has been confirmed by Samsung officially on their website. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung Galaxy S21 leaks and rumors have intensified in recent weeks, adding to credence of report that say that the phone is right around the corner. So that's why Samsung appears to have gotten tired of the S21 FE leaks, so it decided to leak the phone on its own. Online store pages for the S21 FE on Samsung official website has confirmed about the pricing and what are the accessories that are going to be coming alongside with the S21 FE. So according to the leaks coming from the Snooper Leakster on Twitter, give us a detail that the Galaxy S21 FE is going to be coming with different pricing on different markets. Like in Samsung Ireland website, it will cost you around 769 euros for a 128GB variant, whereas 256GB variant will go up to 839 euros, which is potentially going to be a higher price as compared to the last year S20 FE, which was launched at 669 euros for 128GB storage in Ireland. According to the report, the Galaxy S21 FE will cost you around 749 euros for the base model, whereas 819 euros for the 256GB variant. In UK, it will cost you around £776, whereas the US will have the same price as its predecessor, the $700. So overall, I think that the US is the only country where we have the same pricing as the S20 FE, whereas the Ireland, UK and Germany are still on a price hike. Anyway, the Galaxy S21 FE accessories has also been leaked on Samsung Indonesia portal, where you will find out all the accessories and images about the covers and cases for the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Another thing that has been confirmed by these pages that the S21 FE will be coming in 4 different color options like black, green, violet and white. The device will also have some compromises. We have a 3.5mm headphone port missing, and also we are not going to see the micro SD card slot inside the S21 FE, which is definitely going to be a downgrade from the last year S20 FE. And you're looking quickly towards the spec sheet, we have 6.4 inch of AMOLED panel with 120Hz of refresh rate and embedded fingerprint reader. The front-facing camera is going to be of 32 megapixel, and it's also coming with a 12 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter on the back side. The phone will apparently be fueled by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chip, and there may not be any Exynos variant. The device will pack a 4500 mAh battery and will offer a IP68 water and dust resistance. While most rumors point out to an early January unveiling, one has hinted that Samsung may announce the S21 FE this month. Anyway, in my opinion, the S21 FE is not going to be a great hit if the pricing is not lower as compared to the S22, because S22 will be packing a better spec sheet as compared to the S21 FE, so most people will be waiting for the February launch of the S22 series. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device? Be sure to subscribe the channel. Peace.